Now, Clown of the Week. You would think that that bloke, woman, them, would be Clown of the Week. And oh dear, absolutely, there is clear qualification. But I'm going to go instead for a bloke called Alan Titchmarsh. I almost said something else then, given the last story. Alan Titchmarsh. So anyway, I used to work with him at the BBC. I say work with him. He appeared on programs that I was on. And I can't say, in all honesty, that he's the nicest man I've ever met in television, or frankly, anywhere else. But what he is an unbelievable royal sycophant. And this week, of course, across the Queen's funeral, we've been treated to Titchmarsh, did I say that right? Telling his royal stories and doing everything but get on his knees and put his tongue out on live TV. And as one newspaper columnist wrote, here the mood was noticeably less somber. Although self-mulching Alan Titchmarsh had the sprinklers on full blast as he talked about the first words my sovereign said to me and her love of humble flowers. He's a TV gardener, this bloke. He also said, I have been so moved by the fact that we have all come together, as she said we would, and we must. I feel continuity. The Queen has gone and we are still here. Oh dear, what a surprise. As she would have wanted us to be. And the columnist says, there seemed to be a tinge of Titchmarshian regret that we weren't back in the time of the pharaohs where the opportunity for loyal gardeners was to be entombed with their rulers. And at that time it was commonplace. So, Clown of the Week, Alan Titchmarsh, for his puke-making eulogies to monarchy. And here's an example of his sycophancy. Mr. Titchmarsh is speaking at the Queen's Platinum Jubilee, not that long ago. And how can I put it? She was not amused.
For 70 years, there's been one constant heartbeat of this nation, and that heart belongs to Her Majesty the Queen.
So there we have two for the price of one. The sycophancy of Titchmarsh, and there are a few more skilled at it, and at the same time, a glimpse, but only a glimpse, of the real Queen Elizabeth.